What is up, family? It's Justin from Justin Creations. I am currently on my way to the end of Fades car meet. So they're doing a little car meet fresh upgrade, and their team in the Fades, they're opening a barbershop, so doing a little car meet. So I'm gonna go there, get some content, get some POV shots. I just got a chest mount to mount my phone on, so you can get a POV of what I see whenever I'm taking photos of cars, of people, and just to go by how I shoot. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm probably around 15 to 20 minutes from there, so I'll see you there. Peace. Okay, we're finally at the car meet. We're rocking the Nikon D3500, 35 mil. It's gonna be a pretty small photo shoot, I believe. So this is all I need. 35. It's pretty. There's a lot of sun out right now, so I think I should be fine with as far as settings wise. I do not like taking this out too much at night, but we're gonna have fun with it. Support our friends here at In the Fades on 10th Street here in Lancaster, California. So yeah, let's go in and see what's up. So these are the homies right here. We got the homie, as you know, we got the homie Alex, Lamar, and Diego. Oh, you're all from Players Clubs? Oh, okay. Hell yeah. How long have you been in it? Fresh?
I've been kicking it with them for like 2-3 months now. Yeah,
oh hell yeah, that's what's up, bro. What made you want to get into the car scene? Like, you know.
Bro, I got the G35 and I started pulling up to car meets and shit, and I met this fool through a mutual friend.
And
we just started kicking it, bro.
Yeah, bro. I know some of the homies from Players Club. Like, shout out to what's his name, Robert. Yeah, that's the homie right there. Did a photo shoot with bro. He was really cool, man. And I followed this fool for a while. Like, we followed each other for a cool minute, and then I was like, fuck it, let's make some content, bro. Cause I just moved out here last year, so I follow a lot of people, but I haven't had the chance to actually meet up with them and make content like that. So I was like, fuck it, we gotta do something, bro.
If you try to do something for
But yeah, I'm gonna say what's up to the homies, and then I'll be right back, and I'll make sure I flick you up, all right? Do it one more time. That was fucking sick. Yeah.
Oh, it's recording now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now you gotta chug it. You can't do that and not chug it. Chug. Ah, eso mero. Nothing. Hey, just don't fall. Oh, so. Step outside for right now. Go to the car scene right now. Alright, now we're outside. I'm gonna take some shots for the home. It's Justin Creations, bro. So Justin dot Creations.
Sorry.
No, it's all good. What's up, bro? Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. My bad. Yeah. It's a beautiful fucking car, man. How long have you had your eye on this color? Or just a little spontaneous?
No, I always wanted blue. But it took me a minute to find the right blue.
Yeah.
I have to watch this bitch.
It's all good, brother.
It took me a while to find the right blue. And to me, like, it still has too much purple in it, but it can't be too big, I guess.
Right.
But I think it came out alright.
It looks fucking solid, though.
First time trying. I bought enough road to do it over again, so me and Tony came over and helped me. And
is this the first time ever rapping by yourself?
yeah, he helped me.
Hey, shout out to the homie Tony, too.
Yeah, Tony helped me.
Dude, for our first time, though, they look fucking sick. So we're probably gonna underexpose just a little bit, just so, because I don't want the highlights to be completely blown, and I can always readjust the light of the car itself, but not so much of the actual sky itself. So I want to be mindful, kind of play around with it. Shout out to Wicked Empire right here. You see that skull right there? It's only one crew that has that skull, man. That's Wicked. So shout out to them. And then we got this old school clips. For this one, since the background is a solid color, you don't have to worry too much about underexposing to compensate for with this blue clip, so we can probably get some detail shots to showcase certain angles like this side skirt right here. And I love how lowered it is, so some angle shots like that will be fucking dope. I've been loving these shots right here. Here, I'm gonna get both of these cars. They're both the clips, different generations. Okay, so that's a more old school one. So I'll probably get the whole thing right here. I like to keep it on the lower third because I feel like it gives it more depth. But I'm not afraid to try different angles at all. I just really like the lower third angle. Oh, we got this Civic right here. Type R, I believe. I love these front, the grill on this. It's really aggressive, specifically on the Type R's. I just fucking love. Over this back angle right here, showcase that wing. Yup, that's fucking clean. Hey, sorry to bother. You know the owner of the Civic? What's up, brother? My name is Justin Creations. I'm a photographer. I know Chewy and them, so I just came to decide to shoot. Do you have an Instagram by chance, or if you want, you can follow me real quick, just so I know who to tag? How long have you had that Civic, bro?
I've been having it for...
I got blessed in 2000 something.
I've been having it for fucking 3 years.
3 years? Like, congratulations, bro. Did you do any? Have you done any modifications to it, or are you just keeping it stock?
No, dude. I have Swift Lawrence Springs.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Swift Lawrence Springs.
No, not technical. What is it?
There you go, brother. So that's me right there.
Marine.
So I'm gonna go ahead and follow you back just so I know who to tag. Right now I'm doing a vlog. I'm recording. If you guys don't feel comfortable, I can always erase it or for sure. Yeah, by all means.
But if you want to take a picture of the dirty fucking engine bay, go right ahead.
Oh, it's on Belandi in Photoshop.
Yeah, brothers do miracles, not even on us.
Fuck it up. Yeah.
Well, I mean, we can at least record it at least. So we can talk about it for sure, or you have any plans for it. That'll be pretty sick. They see the really clean hood.
Dirty, man, because we live in the AV, dude.
Dude, tell me about it. But no matter how clean you got it, it's dirt, dust, gravel.
Man.
But, that's fucking sick, man.
Yeah, dude, fucking just PRL intake, top inlet, PLM downpipe.
Okay, I bet it sound nice.
Yeah, and then what is it? Then NVIDIA front pipe and full exhaust.
Shit.
Yeah.
What are the things you want to do to it?
85 for sure.
Oh hell yeah.
85 and then upgrade the turbo.
That's fucking sick. Oh yeah, man. Thank you so much for your time, man. I really appreciate you. And I'll make sure to tag. I just got your follow, so I'll make sure to follow back, and I'll tell you guys whatever I do.
Right, man.
Thank you so much for your time, honestly. So we got this Volkswagen Beetle right here. It's fucking. Hey, $5,000. You heard him. $5,000 for sale. Take it off his hands. He said what? A turbo? Shit. Y'all heard him, people. Turbo, $5,000. Get it off his hands. Alright, so I've never shot a little Beetle like this before. They obviously don't have any sharp edges to make it aggressive, so we're probably just gonna go for a clean look overall car. Just gotta make do what we can. Obviously, for me specifically, everything is about the edits. So unfortunately, this camera isn't the best right off the bat. Are y'all heading out? Oh shit. Nah, I respect that, brother. It was good seeing you, dog. Much love as always, man.
You got the camera on this?
Hey, you have to do what you gotta do, brother. Hey, brother, whenever you have time, let me know. I got you, brother.
You know what has the same engine?
nice. All right, guys. So the day is not over yet. We're here at a fresh upgrade right now. They're doing some tints with my homie Jimmy. So we're gonna do some work right now. So we're right here, and then we got some shit popping over here too. So my phone's about to die, so I probably won't record much, but I'm definitely gonna take some flicks of them and you know doing their jobs and stuff, and I'll keep you updated. What's up, family? This is Justin from the far future. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot about this vlog. I did get all the photos out ASAP, but the vlog, I just got busy and kind of forgot about it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. It was such a fun shoot, and shout out to Fresh Upgrade, everyone in this team. Shout out to everyone in the Fades, Dr. West Cuts, also, and on his team. It was a fun shoot. All the amazing people that were there, and I got a chance to meet. It was just a fun shoot, and it's something that I'm really happy I did. As y'all saw, I had that chest mount, the POV shots. It was fun. It was something different. Something that was pretty scary because it's out of the comfort zone, but that's something I had to do to make sure I'm getting the best content for you guys. Thank you so much for being patient with me. I know I haven't been active on here as much as I'd like. I always say that, but I really want to grind on here, man. I want to engage with the community, be able to engage with everyone from all over the world that's into cars and photography. So once again, thank you for your patience. Thank you to everyone who's been showing love and support. I love y'all, and I will see y'all guys soon. Much love. Peace.